I want to make an episode about bringing a pet capybara to the public pool.
饼干，我们去游泳好吗？
I'm Thomas, and I'm going to show you how my app works so that you can use it to make your own Mandarin comprehensible input videos exactly at your level. So let me pull up the app here. So this is the +1 Chinese app. So I'll go to my episodes, and I want to generate an episode. I actually track my known words with a vocabulary list I have in Pleco, so I know that I'm at about 2,150 known words right now. And then I want to make an episode about bringing a pet capybara to the public pool. So I can learn how to say maybe pool or capybara in Chinese. So I'm going to click generate. And that's going to make me a story in Chinese about capybaras at the pool. Because this is being created specifically for me, it'll be targeted to exactly 2,150 vocabulary words. So it's a lot more specific to my level than a lot of other apps that just do HSK or CEFR or TOEFL levels, which helps you understand a lot more of what's being said. And that helps it be both more enjoyable and just more efficacious when you're learning. You can learn more about that by Googling comprehensible input if you want to. Okay, so I'll speed it up since it takes some time to finish. Okay, so the episode finished. Let's give it a quick watch.
饼干，我们去游泳好吗？
请等等，小姐。
怎么了？
抱歉，这里不允许带动物进来。
Okay, so they haven't said capybara yet, but let's say I wanted to learn Bao Tian. So I want to feel apologetic. I can just click this and add a flashcard. And then I could just go back to watching if I wanted to. She's disappointed that she can't bring the capybara. And if I want to go study that, I can just go into my flashcards here.
根据古老传说，
This is a
我们
previous one. Here's Bao Tian. So I can just click this.
抱歉，这里不允许带动物进来。
So this has the video clip that I actually just watched, which is super, super helpful for doing these as spaced repetition flashcards and actually just memorizing new words. And yeah, you can sentence mine that easily. So that's it. I'd love to hear feedback from everyone in the community who is into sentence mining or comprehensible input. You can just leave a comment on the video or find my email on Discord or on +1chinese.com. Thanks.